With the promotion of environmental protection policies, the resource-based treatment of distillers' grains has become particularly important. Distillers' grains are often used as animal feed or organic fertilizer, but carbonization technology offers a higher value-added treatment approach. This technology transforms the high-moisture, perishable distillers' grains into biochar, providing multiple benefits. Firstly, carbonizing distillers' grains effectively addresses the problems of accumulation and pollution. Distillers' grains are rich in organic matter and low in ash content, with a high potential for fixed carbon conversion. The resulting biochar is of high quality, making it suitable for use as soil amendment and activated carbon, among other high-value products. Secondly, the gas produced during the carbonization process can be recirculated back into the system, creating an energy self-circulation, which reduces fuel costs. Additionally, high-temperature carbonization can thoroughly inactivate pathogens and eliminate odors, achieving sanitary treatment. Furthermore, the anaerobic fermentation process of distillers' grains helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions, increase carbon sequestration, and generate carbon credits. This not only aids in addressing climate change, but also provides additional economic benefits to distilleries. In summary, the carbonization of distillers' grains is an environmentally friendly and economically feasible resource utilization solution, which is worth promoting in distilleries.